Say hi. How you doing? I'm videoing you the live location. So she's trying to do live location to know where we are. The track can show that where we're going to. Now let's go. She's laughing at me. I don't know why. Laugh now. Ooh. Belgique.
Non,
This is-
Belgique, pas Belgique.
Okay, Belgique.
Non, voilà, Belgique.
Belgique.
Voilà, parfait.
Belgique. Belgique. Oh, Belgique. So this is the government side?
C'est derrière.
Okay, derrière.
Ici,
Okay,
c'est
okay.
plus les
Business.
sociétés, voilà, business.
This is a business side of Belgique. Belgium. Like Belgium. This hotel is so nice. Come guys, what have my friend Stephanie?
Hi
Talk
guys,
to them.
why are we bending?
Let's take it up.
Hi guys, hi.
Uh-huh.
That's all I've
She's a
got to
giant.
say.
She's so tall, but I'm taller than her.
She's so cool, but you're taller than me.
I am taller than you. Do you know this thing? No, now I look like Oyibo with this turtleneck.
Exactly, that jacket look like you want to go and ski. Hi guys.
So she just flew in
I feel like a
from
bird.
where, madam? Where do you live?
I live in Spain, guys. Pablo Escobar.
You're a thief. Who gave you Spain? She lives in UK. And her sister. You guys have met her already. Say hi again. Muna. Ooh. There's another mirror here. Palette, palette. Bonjour, bonjour. Mademoiselle, mademoiselle. So this is the bathroom.
Fine girl.
Looks more. Please, let me zoom it.
Wow.
Who is fine is fine. Relax.
It's a lie, man. All package. It's fine, it's fine.
Who is fine is fine. Who's fine is fine. Look at Son. Look at Son in this country. Ground floor. So I've been having this food. It's called pocket chicken. I hope I like it. I met a pretty fine girl. She works there, one of these restaurants here. So she recommended this food for me. But it's big. This place is actually big. Let me show you guys. I look so tired. My scarf. Time to go up to my room. My friend is actually trying out the sauna. This sauna, this sauna. All floors. 3. Okay, G. Okay, this is what I'm going to. It's on number 3. So, home sweet home. Yeah. Bonjour. Bonjour. So I do housekeeping. My room. Okay, let's go eat. Don Julio. I don't want so much, so I'm gonna be taking it little. Juice temper, then sausages. Monsieur, ça c'est quoi? Mushroom.
Mushroom, no mushroom.
C'est bon?
It's, sweet potatoes and lentils.
Lentils.
Yes.
I don't know what that is, but let's try. I know if I'm gonna like it. I feel this is meatballs. Oh, pancakes. Oh, I love pancakes. Let's do pancakes. And waffle.
Yes, it's waffle.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Ok, je prends plus de Mexi. De green French. Sexy. Are you Nigerian? You look Nigerian.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And say hi to my camera. Ooh, pretty. Thank you. So this is my food. I'm gonna drop it, then go take some more. Some more. Okay. Better. Traveling n'est pas facile. Okay, let's do fruits. Let's do this. Stay now. Fruits. Eat your fruits, guys. Eat your fruits so you can live long. That's a very funny thing to say, but just eat your fruits. Raspberry, blackberry, yellow berry. I don't know this fruit, but I'm gonna try it. I don't care. I might try it. I don't know what. Guys, what's this fruit called? Okay, I don't know what this thing is. I'm basically trying almost everything. Nice orange. And I caught cold. Okay, I didn't catch cold, but I need orange. Okay, I spilled. Oh my god. Mexi. Oh, oui. I love eggs. I feel like I want more. So I went back for more. I think I like very light food. When I was growing up, I ate more of snacks than real food. So I don't eat much. I feel like when I go back to Nigeria, I'm going to sleep for 10 years. I don't know these two fruits. They're nice. This red one tastes like zobo. Maybe it's zobo. Strawberry. Pineapple. What is this? I've forgotten. Checking out time. That's Uber. All right. Okay. So first things first, I have breakfast. Okay. Then this one. And a Coke here. And one last thing. Croissant. Very nice. Brussels is not loud. It's just calm. It's not like Lagos. No. It's not like... I think it's more like Abuja. More calm. Anyways, the weather here is... I don't know if you guys can see. It's sunny. The sun is out. But it's cold. So guys, say hi.
Hello.
His name is Yassim.
Yes.
He looks finer than me. Why?
Attends, je vais dire un truc, je parle pas en anglais. Full French.
No, French c'est bon.
C'est bon, bah alors on parle en français.
D'accord. He says that he speaks only French.
Voilà.
J'habite à Lagos.
Lagos. Mais c'est où?
Nigeria, en Afrique.
Ah, en Afrique, ok.
Oui.
Bah dis-le-moi directement en Nigeria.
Oui, c'est en Afrique. Viens au Nigeria, tu vas aimer ça.
Je vais kiffer.
Il y a beaucoup de belles filles.
Ah ouais?
Ah, avec grandes fesses. Grandes fesses.
Ça va, alors
Je te joue pas.
Je viens avec toi alors au Nigeria?
On y va. Très belles filles là-bas. Très, beaucoup de belles filles.
En plus, ça tombe bien, j'ai envie de me marier. Donc...
Oui, tu vas aimer ça. Dis ça encore.
J'ai dit, c'est trop bien que tu puisses parler français. Comme ça, tu vois, on peut communiquer. Parce que
Oui.
là, toi, tu parles pas français. On fait comment maintenant?
He says that it's so nice that I can speak French. Very good French. Yeah, je parle très bien français. Oui. Moi, je suis contente que je peux parler français parce que ici, je peux discuter avec les gens.
Ouais, c'est ça.
So this building here is Museum of Train, where you see different trains.
Voilà.
So there is so much vegetation here, guys. They have so much plants, trees.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go.
My first ever official train. Theater in Europe. So Yasim was so nice because he showed me part of Bruxelles. Now on my way to Rotterdam. That's a new vlog. That's gonna be another vlog. I didn't even do much in this city, honestly, because there's literally almost nothing to do. Not like nothing to do, but I'm on limited time, so I just want to do breeze in, breeze out. You know, where I like the most, where my spirit likes the most, I spend more time. Let's see what Rotterdam, Netherlands have for me and for you. My eye bags are bagging. Traveling is not easy. Like, you literally not sleep trying to prep for it, and even when you travel, you are moving from one place to another. The next trip I'm going to do in my life is not going to, I'm going to make sure I plan ahead. This one I didn't even plan ahead. I'm going to make sure I plan ahead, and I will relax more. Yeah, I'll just relax more. But I'm traveling and I'm doing videos, so it's so complicated, it's so stressful. Oh, now, yeah, let's see. That's French.